Preview.
In this video, we want to solve another question under inequality. Now, if you look at this question, it's a little bit different from the previous two questions we solved. Because if we check the question, we have inequality 3 minus y. While for the previous questions, we have inequality 0. Now, in order to solve this question, first, you have to reduce this expression such that you have inequality 0. So we have y minus 1 squared greater than 3 minus y. So expand this. We have y minus 1 greater than 3 minus y. So expand the brackets. We have y squared minus y plus 1 greater than 3 minus y. Move 3 minus y to the other side. So we have y squared minus y plus 1 minus 3 plus y greater than 0. So now rearrange y squared minus 2y plus y minus 2 greater than 0. So we have y squared plus y minus 2y minus 2 greater than 0. So I can group this like this. So between y squared and y is common. Factorize y. We have y into y plus 1 minus 2 into y plus 1 greater than 0. So then I have y plus 1, y minus 2 greater than 0. So if you look at this question, it's now looking like our normal inequality. So we solve the normal way. So the first thing you do is you equate each of these values to 0, such that we have y plus 1 greater than 0. That is we have y plus 1 equals to 0. So we have y equals to minus 1. Also, we have y minus 2 equals to 0. So we have y equals to 2. So the next step is to arrange from the smallest to the biggest. So we have minus 1, 2. So after this, you now write in terms of inequality. So your y will always be less than the first number, the smallest number, which is minus 1. So you write y less than minus 1. Then minus 1 less than y less than 2. Then y will always be greater than the biggest number, which is 2. So now let's solve using the sine table. So we have y less than minus 1 less than y less than 2, and we have y is greater than 2. So at the other side, we have y plus 1, y minus 2, and we have y plus 1, y minus 2. Now the next thing is to find the values of y. So you look for a number. We have y less than minus 1. So you look for a number that is less than minus 1. A number less than minus 1 is minus 2. So write minus 2. Then we have minus 1 less than y less than 2, meaning y is greater than minus 1 but less than 2. So a number greater than minus 1 but less than 2 is 1. The next one, y greater than 3. That's y greater than 2. That's 3. So it means our new values for y is now minus 2, 1, and 3. So for the first cell, we have y plus 1. When y is minus 2, we have a negative answer. Then the next, y plus 1. When y is 1, we have a positive answer. The next one, y plus 1. When y is equals to 3, we have a positive number. Positive. Then y minus 2. When y is minus 2, we have a negative answer. Y minus 2. when y is equals to 1, we have a negative answer. Then y minus 3, when y is equals to 3, we have a positive answer. Positive. So multiply together. Minus times minus, we have plus. Plus times minus, we have minus. Then plus times plus, we have plus. So after getting the sine table, you now check for the inequality. We have a greater than inequality. So it means you write our y will be the values whose heading is positive. Therefore, we say the values of y are y is less than minus 1 or y greater than 2. Thank you.